2 miles of the Spanish coast, a sonar drone has mapped out 3 perfect rings buried underneath the Atlantic mud, each taller than a 6-story building. The layout mirrors Plato's legendary blueprint of Atlantis. Could this be the world's greatest archaeological discovery of the century, or history's most photogenic hoax? Welcome to Echo Point. I'm Olivia, and tonight we dive into the 2025 Cádiz Atlantis claim, examining the new evidence, the science, and the rival theories, so you can decide for yourself. The 12th of July 2025, at Cosmic Summit in North Carolina, archaeologist Michael Donnellan unveils 8 years of sonar and LiDAR scans, taken just west of the Strait of Gibraltar, ancient Pillar of Hercules. On screen, 3 concentric walls rise from the seabed, enclosing a central island. Media outlets from Jerusalem Post to Lad Bible light up within hours. Sediment cores from the Gulf of Cadiz show a colossal tsunami around 1200 BCE, forceful enough to obliterate coastal settlements. The scar patterns on Donnellan's outer ring align with it. Magnetometer sweeps reveal clustered metallic hotspots at the ring gateways. Are they collapsed bronze piers, later shipwreck debris, or something else entirely? Donnellan has requested Spain's Culture Ministry of Recovery permits. So far, no green light. Within weeks, VR models of the sonar data rack up 5 million downloads. Hashtag Atlantis 2025 peaks higher than any Atlantis search since 2011. This leads us to 3 scenarios. 1. Permits granted, proof emerges. Divers recover man-made masonry, and academia rewrites Bronze Age history. Or 2. No dig and theory stalls. Without artifacts, Catiz joined the long list of Atlantis almost worse. Or number 3. The alternative explanation wins. Mud volcano rings explain the geometry, which will return Plato's tale to legend. So, has Atlantis finally surfaced? Let me know your take in the comments. And if you enjoyed this dive, please like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next one.